Improving health services, however, are only one of the ways in which we can make a healthier Ireland happen. With this in mind, I am increasing excise duty on a pack of 20 cigarettes by 50 cents, with a pro-rata increase on other tobacco products. This will bring the price of cigarettes in the most popular price category to €12. Furthermore, in line with the commitment made in the programme for government, my predecessor announced his intention to introduce a tax on sugar-sweetened drinks following the completion of an extensive public consultation process. Accordingly, I am introducing a tax at a rate of 30 cents per litre on drinks with over 8 grams of sugar per 100 millilitres, and a reduced rate of 20 cents per litre on drinks between 5 and 8 grams of sugar per 100 millilitres. These levels of tax are consistent with the rates being introduced in the UK in April of next year, and our sugar tax will commence at the same time, subject to state aid approval. In line with the Government's National Cancer Strategy, I also propose to increase the VAT rate on sunbed services from the reduced rate of 13.5% to the standard rate of 23%. This is in recognition of the clear evidence of a link between sunbeds and skin cancer, the most common form of cancer in Ireland.